Okay, so let's take a look at our next example. So probably we are all too familiar with C2C marketplace and job hunting websites. Let's consider another thing that is online dating websites. So online dating websites is a thing that most of you don't need, but for those guys who like me, we need. Okay, we have no girlfriend and we cannot find one, and we are too old somehow. So in this case, we are considering a platform like Matching.com, eHarmony, or iPad, or Sweet Ring, or whatever you may imagine. So there are just too many. Okay, so on an online dating website, either it's a website, either it's an app. Okay, we connect people and try to make them become friends, just like Facebook connects friends. Uber connects drivers and passengers. Marketplace connects seller and buyers. So it's fine, but it's interesting that for these online dating websites, they typically charge users at some critical moments. So as I guess many of you don't have experience for online dating websites or apps, let's try to give you one illustration about what do we mean by critical moment. So the following screenshots are from one of my student and me. So there was once that we are trying to make the slides for this particular lecture. So we tried one app. And when we tried one app, we record the screenshots so that we may present that to you. Okay, so this is our student. So this student was working with me, and we are trying to create this slide. So first, this student made a fake account. And I'm sorry, this is a Chinese app, but anyway, it's very easy to translate. So first, you may see a very cute girl, so you cannot see her face, but that's very typical, right? And then you're going to see that this girl is setting up some kind of description about if you want, let's eat together. Okay, this means let's eat together. And I'm going to see that, okay, I want to join. I want to meet with this cute girl. So I'm going to click on this button. And then I say, let's do something. Okay, here I also say it. Let's eat together. So then I'm going to see a message box. So here I may see that I am chatting with this girl. And if you don't know Chinese character, that's fine, but still you may see these two things are identical, right? So that means I am trying to talk with the girl. And also I see the girl have said something, and this is called open. So if I want to see the message, I'm going to click on this. All right. So this very cute girl is very attractive. I try to meet with her, and she said something, so I want to see the information. And then, unfortunately, the information does not appear. The only thing that appears is that the company is telling me that, hey, why don't you become our VIP member? After that, you may see the message, and then you may talk as whatever you like, something like that. Okay? So if I click on this, it's even more. There are all kinds of options. Join now and pay me 499 NT dollars, and that's going to create you some benefit. You do that in a 6 months option, that's going to be the cheapest one. Or if you just want to do 3 months, or you just do 1 month, there are different amount of money. Once you pay me once you pay me in that way, you're going to be able to talk with your cute girl. All right? And what's the most interesting is that this is my fake account. This is my student's fake account. You as a student, or I should say you as a girl in this particular website, you actually see anything. All those information provided by those boys. Okay? You always are able to read those information. Only poor boys, they need to pay to see girls' message. All right? That's the story. So pretty much this website is doing what? It's trying to do some kind of connection, connecting boys and girls, right? And also this website knows that they should not charge you when you want to register. No, that's too early. So they allow you to do free registration, free browsing, and when you want to talk to some girls that seems to be awesome, then they ask you to pay. That's what we mean by critical moment. Okay?